how to install slip-on drywall frames with compression anchors. In any building project, secure openings require the proper installation of a door frame. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install slip-on drywall frames with compression anchors. Select the appropriate materials and tools for the project. Locate the correct frame by matching the opening number to the opening on the frame. Measure the width and height of the rough opening to ensure they meet the manufacturer's recommendations. Then measure the thickness of the wall for the frame throat opening. Be sure to check where the vertical studs meet the header. Slip the frame head over the rough opening header and center it in the opening. Install the hinge jamb by slipping it over the wall at an angle and engaging the jamb into the head. Finish straightening the jamb by slipping it over the wall, ensuring the drywall has entered the frame throat opening on both faces of the wall. Install the strike jamb the same way. Insert a setting spreader at the floor of the opening. Make sure all 4 rabbets of the frame touch the spreader bar. This will prevent a twist in the frame. Snug the compression anchors evenly in each jamb. Use a level and a framing square to check for plumb, square, and twist. Anchor the base of the hinge jamb to both faces of the wall using the provided anchor system. Repeat the process for the strike jamb and remove the spreader bar. Your frame installation is complete and is now ready for the next phase of construction.